Hey everyone, so I realized I wasn't recording, so now I put it on, and I was already filling up my little spouted bag for my lip gloss kits, and this is about 5.5. Yeah, this was about 5.5, almost, honestly, almost 6 ounces. But yeah, so let's get started. I hope you guys like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to check out the description box. Many people have been buying my lip gloss kit, so stay tuned. And of course, next week I'm having my Black Friday sale, so I'm really excited. So let's get started. It's so satisfying just filling this up. But yeah, so this has Versagel, which is a lip gloss base, and it has castor oil and grapeseed oil, and I made labels for it. Alright, so I already filled it up. I already have the syringe filled up, so now let's just put it in there. Okay. But yeah, this actually holds a lot. To be honest, I'm pretty sure it holds 6 ounces because my first lip gloss, my first pouch that I did, it had like a huge air bubble, and I already filled it up to 5.5. So yeah. So it holds a lot of product, and castor oil and grapeseed oil is a great combo to have in your lip gloss base because it's very, very smooth, and it creates a high shine lip gloss, and you know, we all love that, and it's just a really great formula in general. Alright, gonna fill it up some more. I love filling up the syringes. And at the end of the video, I'll show you what comes with the lip gloss kit. Like the simple things, you know. Hold up. Sorry, I'm trying to get like a good angle to show y'all. Oops. There you go. And before with this, I used to try to squeeze it all the way down and then keep on filling it up, but I realized that it causes a lot of air bubbles, so don't do that. I think like near the end when you're done, you can do it. Oh, what the heck? Okay. But yeah, can y'all believe they're charging a lot more for Versagel now? Like the 5-ounce bags are like $6.40. Like $6.40. I mean, I understand there's a lot of lip gloss businesses, but like, dang, it was already pricey to begin with. But I mean, yeah. All right. Right, it's getting filled up nicely, but I still have more to go. No air bubbles so far. Put your hand on my shoulder, kiss me oh so tight. Baby. Bro, I always be singing randomly, and I'm sorry, my voice is crap. Because normally when I like make any products, I like to blast my music. So, because I just be getting into like the mood. And I also have another video. I finished editing, but I just never got to saving the video and then posting it. So I'll try to post that tonight too. Or maybe tomorrow. Really depends, to be honest. But I know for sure I'm gonna be posting this tonight. Alright. Alright. So yeah, this is really filled. Like, this is tight. It's tight, alright? Like, it's like there's like no air in here, so that's really good. Ah, there you go. So I'm gonna have to wipe this off with like Clorox or something, because of course I got my gloves. But there you go. Yay! So I'm done with that, and I just wanted to show you guys that. So then I'm gonna wipe off the lip gloss base thing because it's kind of sticky, and then I'm gonna show you guys everything that comes with the lip gloss kit. But yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so this is the collection. So this person ordered the silver holographic lip gloss kit, which means they wanted the silver holographic glitter. So usually only comes with 5 grams, but I added an extra one because, you know, I'm cool like that. So she got 2. And it actually it holds a lot, to be honest. And then it comes with a 5 gram mica pigment, and I chose pink. And then comes with 5 pipettes, and comes with a 60 ml syringe. It comes with, of course, the Versagel, the lip gloss base, and then it comes with 15 8 ml tubes, of course, with the caps and with the tops and the stopper. Oh, it also comes with a flavoring oil. I forgot to add it in there, but it comes with a random flavoring oil. But overall, the base doesn't smell like anything, so that's really good. So you don't need to use a flavoring oil if you don't want to. But yeah, here you go. Look at how pretty it is. Look at that glitter. Yes. But yeah, guys, this is my lip gloss kit. It's $45 on my website. And next week, it will be 5% off. So yeah. But in my opinion, it's worth it. It's cute. Look at it. Jeez. Ooh. But anyways, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. And stay glowing.